This is the house pad that we built. They've spray painted where the exterior walls of the home are going to be built. And now they have the machine and they'll start digging the footers throughout this property. Making sure it's deep enough with the laser level there. Hi, if you're building a home or just curious about construction, this video is about footings and how a footing goes into a home and what to look for on an architectural plan. On our architectural plan, the foundation plan is on page A3. On this foundation plan, it's going to show us what needs to go into the home to support it on the foundation part of it. When you hear building a house, obviously strong foundation equals a strong home. So it's very important that your builder, or you, if you're doing an owner builder, check the plan, make sure that it's being done correctly so that when your home is built, it's on a strong foundation. So this is one video of many that I put together. It's just informative, give you a little bit of idea how we put homes together. We build in Southwest Florida. Cape Coral is where my office is located, which is on the Gulf side of Florida. So any type of questions that you may have in regards to building, you may find it on our YouTube page or on our Facebook page, and I'm also available for any other type of questions. Talk to you soon. Okay, so in regards to architectural engineered plans, there are several pages, and each page has different information that's important to the home build. But the one that we're going to focus on is page A3. Okay, this is our foundation plan and our typical wall section. So when we get a home, it's very important to understand what your plan says when we start to build in regards to what the foundation will be. Over here on the right hand side, it'll show the footing schedule, which has A, B, and a C. And you'll see that it says at the top one, let's just use that one as an example to start with. Number A is 16 inches by 8 inches poured concrete footing with 2 number 5 rebars. Okay, so if we go over to our plan, we will see where it says A, and you'll see there'll be like a dotted line that goes all the way around. So that would be where we would have that 16 by 8 footer dug throughout the whole perimeter of this home with 2 number 5 rebars placed. You'll also see number B and a number C, which shows what needs to go in there in regards to the rebar, how many, and how deep and how wide the footing should be. So pretty simple. You go over here, see there's some C's there. So when I go out in the field and inspect the home, I'll open up the foundation plan. I'll have all the detail that I need in regards to what needs to be going on with this individual home. And I'll walk the outside and make sure the bars are there and that the footing is dug correctly. Most of these plans also, engineers and architects, the house itself is designed for the individual property, but they also have some general notes on the back that are almost like generic add-ons, just in case you had any question what you're building or what it's saying. So there's a typical footing that you'll see on this plan and a monolithic footing. So this gives a little bit more detail of what needs to happen if you were unsure of what page A3 was telling you to be built. But this is the beginning stages of the footing for a home. Very important that it is checked and that it is correct.
Ya lo desperté.